Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going ahead to introduce our newest the products. On my right hand, this Gelato display freezers. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length, it's about like a 46.5 inches long. And the overall height is about like a 51 inches tall. And the depths, they are about like a 27 inches deep. As you can see, we're having the curved glass at the front and the display space at the bottom, and also have a 12 trays, the pan inside. And let's take a look at the back side of the units. This back side of the units, we can see the stickers at the back of the units. They have a cut sheets and diagram on it. And also, if you're looking down the bottom, we have a digital controls right here. And also, they're using the standard 110 plug for the connections. Let me take a look at the inside of the tray. For the back size dimensions, we have a sliding doors right here. When they opened, it's about like a 19 inches for the length. And entirely, they are about like a 43 inches. They have a second layer for the sliding top. This one can help you to keep the temperatures. And we take a look at the inner side. The overall length, they are about like a 21.5 inches. And also we have a tray. You can change the different pan sizes, but original from the manufacturers. This tray is about like a 10 inches long. And the 6.5 inches wide and 2.5 inches deep. We total have a 12 of it. That's all the information about the inner side. Also, we're having the lights, LED lights strips on top of the units. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, just let us know and contact with us. Thank you.